you have 14 choices, and they're broken up into desktop wallets, mobile wallets, web wallets. And to take a look, you just click on one of them, and you can click Use Account Viewer. Support. You can see also what it supports: web. It supports what different operating systems: Windows, Mac, and Linux. And the one we're going to look at today is Lobster. It supports web, Mac, Android, iOS, and its key features are its send and receive lumens, quick XML price converter, anti-fraud measures, support our operations with multiple transactions. So we can click Get Wallet, and we'll be at the Lobster website. And here, we just sign up, and then we hit here, enter a username and password. Then we're going to have to do a captcha. And then once that's done, we can sign up. And then we'll just go to the email to confirm. And just say welcome to Lobster. Just click verify email. And then just put in the email. The password. Then we have to do another captcha, and we're good to go. We just hit sign in, and we can save it, and then we can just create a username, create account, and we'll get 1 XML credit, and click OK, I agree. And it's going to take a second to load here. And then we have the recovery code. You definitely want to save this and understand that you're going to need to keep this somewhere safe. And then we'll hit OK. So now we have our Stellar username, Stellar address. We have 1 credit. We can see our account email. We can see the credit, and if we need to get that, we can pay off 1 XLM. We also have the ability to send, just like any wallet, the amount. We can put a memo and then hit send. Receive, same way. And we can see there our username and how people can send it with our address. We have our assets, which we can see the top assets, the history, this is a history of our transactions, our access history, and there's also settings, mobile apps, if we need, and FAQs in case we have any questions. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial on how to set up a Stellar wallet.